What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on HBAR as it has recently started to break out. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So HBAR is currently trading at a price point of just under 13.5 cents. They have a market cap of 4.5 billion, which ranks 31st among all cryptocurrencies. And the circulating supply is 33.6 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is about 67% in circulation. And then as usual, if you guys are looking to trade HBAR, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now if we scroll down to the Hedera news section, there's one article in particular that I want to talk about. And that is this one right here, top 3 altcoins under $1 to buy. And this article was posted by Coinpedia News. Now the first one they have listed is Caspa, which is another project that I am very bullish on. But then their second project is Hedera. And they say Hedera is a decentralized public ledger with a unique Hashgraph consensus algorithm. Hedera supports many use cases, including DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized identity, focusing on scalability, low transaction costs, and environmental sustainability. Hedera was launched in 2018 and has been one of the top gainers. HBAR is currently priced at 11 cents with a 5% increase in the price in the last 24 hours. Now, I'm sure you guys already know most of this stuff, but it's good to see that HBAR is being mentioned in articles. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Hedera X account, which has 330,000 followers. And they just posted 39 minutes ago. Through DaVinci Graph, anyone can create a token on Hedera network in minutes. No coding skills, no headaches. It's time to leverage the power of Hashgraph. And remember, that is one of the most bullish aspects of Hedera. They run on Hashgraph, which is a very unique technology. And then they posted 6 hours ago, we are pleased to announce that Hedera has joined Web3 Harbor, the HK-based nonprofit dedicated to supporting the development of the Web3 economy through community and enterprise engagement, as a founding protocol in collaboration with the Hashgraph Association. And in pretty much every HBAR video I make, they seem to have a new connection, which is a very good thing to see. And then the last thing I want to show you is what they reposted March 5th. So this past week, Bitgo joined the Hedera Council. Discover how this alliance aims to pioneer the future of blockchain through digital asset security and decentralized governance. And I talk about this frequently, but one of the biggest reasons that I personally am bullish on Hedera is because of the governing council. They have some massive connections like Google, IBM, Deutsche Telekom, Standard Bank, Shinhan Bank. The list just goes on and on. And especially for a crypto that has a market cap of only 4 billion, their connections go way above a lot of the cryptos that are currently above them. But now we'll go ahead and get into some macro news that could affect HBAR's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to HBAR. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And they just posted 23 hours ago, Arizona Senate considers adding spot Bitcoin ETFs to the state's retirement portfolio. At this point, Bitcoin truly is growing at a rapid pace. And then on March 5th, they posted 1.1 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. And this happened after Bitcoin reached all-time highs. Now I'll go over the TA at the end of the video, but we had a textbook double top. And then the last thing I want to show you is this video on March 5th. So 1 year ago, Jim Cramer told investors to sell Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of 69,150.
Bitcoin went up today, and I could argue that now it can't even be held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal. I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried. So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated. And I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin, not here, not now.
And this right here is why it is so important as an investor to always do your own research. Make sure you understand what you are doing. There are a lot of people out there who truly do not understand what they are talking about. And I'm not even referring to Jim Cramer, but just people in general. So always make your own decisions. But while we are on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day and I'm constantly calling out opportunities. So I think you guys might get some very useful information. But then if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I have a private Discord through Patreon. And at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers: a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and then a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you're going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of cryptos that could absolutely explode this bull run. If you guys get a chance, I highly recommend looking through some of the gains we've been making on here. They are incredible. And realistically, you cannot make these kind of gains just investing in projects like HBAR. It's just not a low enough market cap. But to that same point, I posted an HBAR trade setup on March 2nd in my Discord. As you can see, I posted HBAR on all of the indicators and it was trading at 11.5 cents. And you fast forward to the current HBAR chart and you can see it broke out of this flag perfectly. So had you guys taken that trade, you could have made some very nice gains. But if this sounds like something that might interest any of you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is HBAR on the daily time frame. Now the first thing I'm seeing is that the flag has started to break out. However, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower high to a higher high. The RSI is higher high to lower high. That is Class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. Although I will say, if HBAR does continue to pump up, and especially if it comes up and hits the measured move, then this bearish divergence could possibly be negated. And this bull flag has a measured move to just under 15.5 cents. So again, just to be clear, the main thing I'm watching in the short term is the Class A bearish divergence. I want to see whether or not price action comes up to this measured move. If it does not, I might look for a little bit of a retracement, and a potential retracement level could be the 21-day moving average. But either way, props to any of you guys that made money off of this HBAR bull flag. But now lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, a much larger time frame. And what you need to understand about Bitcoin right now is that we have went absolutely parabolic, but then we came up and created a textbook double top. And oftentimes after a double top, you will see a drop. And to go along with that, price action is trading so far away from all of the moving averages. And these moving averages typically work as magnets. Now, I do also want to be crystal clear. The crypto market is extremely bullish right now. So is it possible that we continue pumping? Absolutely. But purely from a technical analysis standpoint, we could absolutely use a pullback in the short term. That would be very healthy before the Bitcoin halving. And I'm not even saying it has to be that much of a pullback, but at least if price action would start trading sideways for a couple weeks, that would give the RSI and stochastics a chance to actually cool down. And then it would also give the moving averages a chance to catch up. But either way, this is awesome to see. I still remember when Bitcoin was trading at 15,800 and everyone said it was going to zero. And here we are having just broke all-time highs. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think HBAR will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.